In every boys group it is a dream to go to Thailand, and sometimes our dreams become reality. On that note, welcome back to the channel and welcome to Thailand series. Derek says you guys look really beautiful today, and make sure you leave a like below. So let's get the party started.
Hi guys, this is DM Vlogs, logging in. Right now we're in Thailand, just landed. Come on, let's go!
Everything, let's go! I think for 5 minutes he's saying let's go.
Yeah, I mean, that's the vibe, right? So we can't help it.
Yeah, we out here! Thailand, we here! अरे अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है.
The career is more at stake when you on your prime.
The 800 baht from airport to our hotel, and it's actually in the city place only. The hotel is in city place. Very nice place.
Very
and,
nice area.
First, honest review, we feel like it's like a cleaner Mumbai, and
Yeah, it's a mix of Mumbai and Dubai. The
Yeah.
cars are UAE and the vibe is
the
India.
vibe, the architecture, everything is like Mumbai. So yes, we are actually home. So silent music. Are you vibing to music? We are learning silent. Guys, we are in a Buddha temple, and there's a huge Buddha inside this temple, and we have come here to see that. And there are all these, what do you call this?
Gong.
Gently karo.
Gently, Gaurav.
You'll get good blessings. So I'm transferring this vlog camera to Adil, and he's my official cameraman. You can see. See, you have to stay back because it's very zoom. Guys, I'm giving blessings for all of you guys. Bless you all. So
Derek, hit it for all of us. I feel like you should hit 3 times, Derek. They say 3 times is the luck.
for my luck. Cameraman Derek, you're up.
Guys, again, just to show you how big the temple is, it starts like this all the way from here. You can see there's lots of buildings and temples behind this, and this compound itself is like huge. I think it's a never-ending temple. Feels like it.
Very beautiful. The art is the main thing that we have to see. Especially when the sun is hitting on the temple, yeah, it kind of gives that bling bling, you know. These are the photos of very important people like French president and so many other presidents who have visited this place.
Like I said, but this thing is actually huge. Like, you have to walk. At least you need, I think, 2 to 3 hours just to see all of it. If you want to know the story, background story, all of this Buddhists and Buddhas, then though you need to spend a whole day. See a welcome board, welcome sign here to all the people that are visiting. And there's lots of people taking photos, you know, photos and vibing and all that shit. And I'm having my great friend Homka with me. Homka is doing well, he's chilling, he's exploring. But we need to know more about the story, what's actually happened. Instead of just seeing what do you see, right?
Yeah.
We need to know what has happened, what's the actual history that is.
Something happened here.
But we need more time for that. To understand the story.
Maybe next time.
Maybe next time, when we come to Thailand, we will update you guys. Which will not happen, of course.
Actually, I'm changing my YouTube channel's name to Adil Vlogs.
This is supposed to be the eyes of the. You can see here.
Guys, this is the wonderful art. Like, we're not making fun of it, but the art does not seem. Maybe we can't understand the art behind it because we are not art minded. Probably 1,000 years aged tree here. It's very massive and looks very old also. We're just discovering this place and trying to figure out what all we should see here.
So we're going inside the temple and we're supposed to put our belongings inside the bag, because that's called showing respect to the place. So this is where we enter the temple, and right now you can see Derek is packing up his stuff. Guys preparing themselves as well. And it is. And you can even see some people are praying here. So this is how massive and huge it is. They're making the prayers here. And if you guys want to see the pair of this Buddha, is right here. This is how huge it is. I can't even fit it in this camera, it's that big. It goes from there all the way till here. You can see that people have kept their flowers here, hoping for a blessing from this. And again the ancient writings in Thai. So you can take a walk all around, like we started from there and then we take the entire walk like this till there. So you're covering the 360 angle of this Buddha. Beautiful waterfall right here, as you can see. This is also a tourist attraction.
Adil YouTube channel. Muhammad
So
Adil
whatever
vlog.
recording I did, so just change my
Guys,
voice.
how is it going on a ride with Adil? I hope you guys
I
had
hope
fun.
now you know they
If
actually
ever
had
I'm
fun.
missing out, Adil is there to give you guys what's happening.
Since Derek is not
Only that
interested,
this camera is very zoomed in.
Thing is
Otherwise,
that-
we could actually vlog in this only.
yeah, I
But
had to take, since he's not interested for you guys to take vlogs. I had
Nothing
to
like
take
that, guys. You know that. Just that I need to come in that mood. They're taking photos like Tanda Vibe. You know in Malayalam Tanda Vibe? They're doing Tanda Vibe here.
Exactly.
Taking photos.
People here act as if they never saw
You know,
this.
we all used to say that we'll never be like our parents taking photos in like this monument. And look, we are doing just like this. We're standing here taking photos.
And you should see our pose, proper dad pose.
Dad, Tanda Vibe.
pose,
Pakka
Tanda vibe.
Malayalathi parna Tanda Vibe.
This is the
Look,
example.
brothers taking cute photos. Alright guys, so we're done with the temple and now we're headed to the view. So we actually wanted to see the sunset, but there's no sunset now. So whatever is there, we're going to show you that. So we need to walk fast.
Let's go.
It has amazing sunsets and all, but right now it has already set.
I think we're a little too late here, so but still we'll show you who we can. So this is basically the spot.
This is the viewpoint.
Whoa! Now this is worth something paying for.
Now let's something to say.
No, Derek said shopping in Thailand, amazing. So I said
Rahul said,
chicks in Thailand, amazing.
amazing. In Thailand. And so cheap. Extremely cheap. Extremely cheap means like if you want to do world shopping, you should come world shopping in Thailand. Like cheap shopping in Thailand. I mean, it's compared to the Dubai price. If anything is like 40 dirhams in Dubai, you'll get it here for 20 dirhams. So people like us, we'll be like, wow, it's so cheap. And the people are also very nice. Everything is amazing.
I love Thailand, guys. So after every 5 minutes, we are like, I love Thailand.
And you know the best part is now we are getting the accent.
Accents.
Now we are being Thailand. You go, welcome to Thailand. We have learned a lot of Thailand words like thank you and all, but now I don't remember what it is.
In the moment, we'll remember, yeah.
Yeah. And shopping in Bangkok is amazing. Look at the scene. There's this god. I feel, if I'm not wrong, I think it's a Buddha. And people are offering Fantas. People are offering Fanta to Buddha. Look at this. I think someone might have offered Fanta and got your wish through or something. Maybe that's it. But crazy. Guys, there are two kind of people. Some people who carry the passport and some people who carry passport cover. I'm very judgy of these people. It's extremely noob. Yeah. Look at these people. They're making passport cover. They're writing Adil. What are you writing?
Someone.
What are you writing? Cutie. Oh, passport cover cute. Oh, what passport cover you put? Oh.
I bought this one.
You bought this one? So excited. So cute. What is this? Oh.
This is unicorn.
Unicorn. Oh, so cute. Passport cover cutie.
Down. Why are you putting on my...
Guys, see full hair and all the naughty boy. Bangkok is amazing, but this is just the start of the trip. So day number 2, 3, 4, 5, we have a lot of days to cover. First day and it's already a blast.
Amazing bro.
Amazing. We are thinking we'll actually shift over here because first of all, when we're looking around, there's a lot of things to see, and we haven't one person idea of what's going on here. And so many food products, snacks, so many crazy things. Thailand is amazing. You all should visit Thailand. And you know, somewhere Thailand has a strong image of people go to Thailand for some other reason. Actually, cut that bullshit. Really good vacation is in Thailand. What you gonna have, mate?
Chicken fried noodles.
Guys, this is heaven for people who love Chinese.
I don't think so.
It's not Chinese, Thai food, Chinese, everything, but it's heaven.
Feeling bad.
But Doris is scared that if ever anything goes wrong, then the whole trip is ruined because food poisoning and all that. But we are in a mall, so hopefully nothing goes wrong. I didn't give you guys a house tour, I mean a hall tour, room tour, apartment tour, whatever you call it. Quick apartment tour. This is our apartment. It looks like a mess right now. And this is our boys. And we got bed. And this is a private room for Jay, so that he can call people and all. Private room. Full privacy.
And also, this he could have done before we entered, and it would have been much cleaner. So, bad vlogger.
That's a bad vlogger sign number 1. And this is where Gaurav and Rahul does their private stuff. Gaurav and Rahul last night. How was it last night? Not good. You want me?
It's too much. TMI I'll do here.
Okay guys, this is a really good bathroom. What the fuck is this lecture, bro?
Yeah, we are.
Our bathroom sucks.
Yeah, please. Don't come to. I choose always the best.
Oh, okay, bro. So
Show them our room.
this is where mine and Adil's magic happens.
Who is oiling
Now
up
it's all
today?
mess. It's all mess. We bought some stuff and all. It's mess.
Hey, who is oiling up today?
What the?
Brother,
See, there is humor and there is forward humor, but these are next level. Okay guys, so right now we're back in the room. Did a little bit shopping and all, went for street shopping. Now we're headed to, we're going to CM something, and it's gonna be lit. It's like a party place, and the view over there is like crazy. It's like kind of like Dubai view.
When you overhype it, generally gets spoiled.
That's what a vlogger does. You gotta always overhype. Don't listen to all that, but we are gonna go party.
It's Thailand time. Let's go.
Holy shit.
Oh guys,
Quick.
burgers and shit over here.
Thailand time. Let's go.
Okay guys, so see you guys in, bro, honestly speaking, I need a leg massage for sure. And every day you can do like a massage here. It's like just 250 baht. 250 baht is basically 25 dirhams. 25 dirhams you get a leg massage. Crazy. So we're gonna do a leg massage and all because we walked so much. So we need to do leg massage. And we're going to the launch on top of the building. You can see like a full city view of Bangkok. Today is like a chilling day. So guys, Gaurav is saying dead vibes. Gaurav, dead vibes? Dead? So much vibes.
And what's the vibe like?
Vibe is crazy, bro. Crazy vibe.
Adil, what's the vibe like? Vibe.
It's good.
Yeah, what's the vibe like? Vibe's crazy, brother.